Picture this scenario. You're standing at the airport gate, watching passenger after passenger struggle to squeeze their oversized carry-on into the overhead bin. Meanwhile, you're there with a bag that not only fits perfectly, but weighs almost nothing empty. That bag exists, and today I'm revealing why it's revolutionizing how smart travelers pack. After testing dozens of carry-on bags against the strictest airline size restrictions worldwide, I've discovered one that consistently outperforms everything else on the market. This isn't about finding an adequate travel companion. This is about discovering the carry-on that makes every other bag look like an amateur attempt at luggage design. The game changer is the Travel Pro Max Lite series, and what makes this bag extraordinary isn't just one feature. It's how every single element works together to solve the most frustrating problems frequent travelers face. Weight restrictions that force you to leave essentials behind. Size requirements so strict that millimeters matter. Durability concerns when your livelihood depends on reliable gear. Let's start with the weight factor that immediately sets this apart. At just over 5 pounds empty, this bag gives you maximum packing capacity without eating into your weight allowance. Most competing bags weigh 7 to 9 pounds before you add a single item. That difference means extra clothing, souvenirs, or essential gear you'd otherwise sacrifice. But lightweight means nothing if the bag can't handle real-world travel conditions. Here's where the Travel Pro reputation becomes crucial. This company has supplied professional flight crews for decades. Pilots and flight attendants literally live out of these bags, traveling constantly across every climate and handling condition imaginable. When your career depends on gear that never fails, you choose Travel Pro. The sizing precision is where this bag truly shines. Measuring exactly right for overhead bins across major airlines worldwide, it passes the strictest size tests consistently. We're talking about fitting comfortably in the tightest European budget airline restrictions, the compact bins on regional jets, and even those dreaded cage-style sizers that trap oversized bags. Now here's something most travelers overlook when choosing between 2-wheel and 4-wheel configurations. The decision isn't about personal preference. It's about matching your travel style to optimal functionality. 4-wheel spinners glide effortlessly through airports and maneuver perfectly down narrow airplane aisles when turned sideways. But 2-wheel designs offer superior durability for rough surfaces and provide slightly more internal packing space due to their construction. The handle system demonstrates thoughtful engineering most manufacturers ignore. The trolley handle extends to 2 height settings, accommodating different user heights comfortably. More importantly, the soft fabric handles compress when space is tight, unlike hard plastic handles that can push bags over size limits in strict overhead bins. Opening this bag reveals why top-loading designs dominate professional travel. Unlike clamshell bags that require floor space to open fully, this opens vertically with minimal footprint. Perfect for cramped hotel rooms, cruise cabins, or anywhere space is premium. The single main compartment maximizes usable volume while interior pockets keep essentials organized and accessible. External storage adds practical functionality without compromising the bag's size compliance. The front pocket holds quick access items like passports, boarding passes, and electronics. The larger exterior pocket accommodates laptops or light layers, and it's expandable for those times when you need extra souvenir space. The wheel quality separates professional-grade luggage from consumer alternatives. These aren't the flimsy wheels that break off after a few trips. They're engineered for constant use, smooth rolling across various surfaces, and designed to be serviceable rather than disposable. Construction details matter when your bag experiences baggage handlers, overhead bin stuffing, and constant rolling. The fabric resists tears and stains while maintaining flexibility that hard cases can't match. Zippers operate smoothly under stress, and reinforcement points handle the stress of frequent lifting and maneuvering. Price positioning makes this remarkable. While premium luggage brands charge hundreds for comparable features, this delivers professional-grade performance at a fraction of the cost. You're getting flight crew quality without the luxury brand markup. What really sets this apart is how it eliminates common travel frustrations. No more bag weight anxiety at check-in. No more struggling with overhead bin fit. No more will failures in foreign airports. No more choosing between essential items due to space constraints. The versatility extends beyond airline travel. Train travel, road trips, cruise excursions, business trips, vacation adventures. This bag adapts to different travel scenarios while maintaining its core advantages of being lightweight, properly sized, and incredibly durable. For travelers serious about efficiency, comfort, and reliability, this represents the intersection of professional requirements and consumer accessibility. It's the bag that frequent flyers rely on because it simply works, trip after trip, year after year. Whether you're a business traveler living out of carry-ons or an adventure seeker maximizing packing efficiency, this bag eliminates the compromises other luggage forces you to make. It's not just better than regular bags. It's in a completely different category of travel gear designed for people who refuse to accept limitations. The choice becomes obvious when you realize you can have professional-grade reliability, optimal sizing, minimal weight, and practical features at a reasonable price point. Why settle for anything less?